Hello guys, how's the weather today? Is it sunny? I hope you guys stay at home and follow the SOP. Okay, let's do the exercise for today's topic. You have to match the picture with the correct word. Okay, before that, let's go through the picture first. First picture is sun. Next, people. And then cloud, bird, and lastly wing. Okay, are you ready? Let's try do one exercise. Sun, match with the word sun. Okay, do you get it? Okay, that's all for today. You did a good job. I hope you guys keep... Wait, aku dah